নমস্কার, আমি ডক্টর অভিক রায়।
Dr. Abhik Ray is a highly qualified orthopedic surgeon practicing in Kolkata. With more than 10 years of experience and expertise in joint replacement surgeries. Over the years, Dr. Abhik Ray has diagnosed more than 2,500 patients successfully. After completing his MSc in Orthopaedics from R.G Kar Medical College under Dr. Suneet Hajra, Dr. Ray trained under renowned surgeon Dr. Arun Mullaji, obtaining his fellowship in joint replacement surgery from the Preach Candy Hospital in Mumbai. His interest in the newest techniques and modern treatment in the field of hip replacement and trauma surgeries also led him to complete fellowships at the Istituto Ortopedico Gazzelle, Milan, and the Guro Institute, Seoul, South Korea. With his extensive knowledge in complex trauma, sports, spinal injuries, and joint replacement surgeries, Dr. Ray is one of the most competent surgeons working successfully in the city of Kolkata. He uses thorough non-surgical and surgical methods to treat his patients that are based on the most recent research and follow international standards. He is particularly interested in the problems of osteoarthritis and is recommended for a variety of issues involving the bones and joints. He is currently practicing Bellevue Clinic, Techno India, Dharma, ILS Hospitals, Damdam, Parkview Super Speciality Hospital, Salt Lake. Thoroughly dedicated to the well-being of his patients, Dr. Ray strives to provide each patient with a unique experience in addition to the choicest care for thousands of patients in Kolkata. Dr. Ray is a preferred orthopedic surgeon and orthopedic specialist. Book an appointment or you can directly call Dr. Abhik Ray for a consultation.
Call 8927815745.
Replacing pain with relief. We think about you.